everyone, welcome back to our channel once more. This is just a short update on our onions. We gave you an update some time ago, but something is definitely happening with the onions because last time this red onion had some green tops, and right now what is
Black
there
tops.
is just
Black
a
top.
shell.
You
So I
see?
don't know if something's actually
Have you seen
messing
mommy?
with our onion. Sit here.
Mm,
There it is.
mm,
So
mm.
it is totally eaten. So we have these two that are progressing. Well, three. This one, and this one. And the one I planted out the last time in the update now has green tops on. Hopefully nothing will get to these ones. I'm not sure what is messing with the onions, but if you do know, you can leave a comment for us to say what could be possible going on, because we're at a loss. I think this is about the third one that we're losing so far. So hopefully we don't lose any more onions. So you're crying, Jojo? And I wanted the red onions, because it was the only one that we had in the set. And so we no longer have it. So hopefully these four will thrive. Hopefully. Jojo is there messing around. Anyway, so hopefully Jojo, they will thrive. Alright? What's wrong with you? Things happen like that in the garden. Alright, so that was just a quick update on the onions. We're gonna see you. Okay, you're not pretending, you're actually crying. Why are you crying? Why are you crying?
Onion got eaten.
The onion got eaten. Alright, that's a part of gardening. We're going to lose some of our food, okay? So that's a part of gardening, okay, baby? Alright? Okay. We'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and bye-bye for now. And remember, do start that garden one container at a time. See you soon.